Welcome. If you're experiencing issues with Pinterest not showing images, you're not alone. This is a common problem, but fortunately there are several steps you can take to fix it. Let's walk through them together. First, close the app and reopen it. Sometimes, a simple restart of the app can resolve minor glitches that prevent images from loading properly. Next, it's essential to check your internet connection. Open your device's settings and click on the network icon to see if you're connected. A stable internet connection is crucial for loading images on Pinterest. If your connection seems fine, check your network. Ensure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is functioning correctly. You might want to turn off your Wi-Fi for a few seconds and then turn it back on. The same goes for your mobile data. After checking your network, restart your device. This can help refresh all settings and connections, potentially resolving any underlying issues. Once your device is back on, open the app again and see if the images are now visible. If they're still not showing, you may need to ask the sender to resend the image. Sometimes the issue lies with the specific pin or image being sent. If that doesn't work, it's time to clear the app cache. From your device settings, locate Pinterest settings and select the option to clear data. This will remove temporary files that could be causing display issues. To do this effectively, 1. Go to your device settings. 2. Find Pinterest in the list of apps. 3. Click on Clear Data. 4. Then select Clear Cache. 5. Confirm this step to ensure that all temporary files are removed. After completing these steps, reopen Pinterest and check if the images are now appearing correctly. Following these troubleshooting tips should help restore your visual experience on Pinterest. Remember, if you find these steps helpful, consider subscribing for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and happy pinning!